Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with you guys. I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing today, but it's not a makeup unboxing. So as you probably saw from the title, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of the Yeezy Boost 350. I just got these in the mail and these are the CITRIN colorway. These are actually my first pair of Yeezys and I'm really excited to have a pair. When I was waiting for them to get delivered, they got delivered while I was at work. And I was so excited to come home and get the shoes. My husband actually bought them for me. He signed up for, I don't know exactly what it was, but it was on the Adidas website where you could sign up and just put your name on a list to try to get the shoes. I don't know exactly how it worked. I guess like a raffle, and he got picked in the raffle. So I was really excited to get these. I've been wanting to get a pair. My husband has a couple pairs already, but I hadn't seen a colorway that I really liked, and the ones that I did like, they sold out. Every time we tried to get them, they sold out. And I personally wasn't wanting to pay higher than retail price for them. I know a lot of people do, and there's different apps or websites you can buy them off of, like StockX is a really famous one, but that's just not something that I was willing to do. So yeah, and the shipping was actually really quick. I think that they came out on a Tuesday and we got them delivered by Friday, so it was really fast. And quick funny story about the shipping. On the Adidas website, for some reason, on that Thursday, it said that they had been delivered. So my husband was like going in the back, because sometimes our deliveries get to the back, our back gate. So he went to the back, he went to the front. He's like, he came in the house, he's like, did you get anything in the mail today? He's like really freaking out. He's like, somebody stole the shoes. Like, I need you to go to the neighbor's house tomorrow, ask them if they stole them. This was like 10 o'clock at night. And then I'm like, well, like, where did they say they leave it? Click on the tracking. So he clicks it farther, and once he goes into like the FedEx tracking, they actually said they weren't getting delivered till Friday. So I just thought it was so funny. He was running around the house. He was so worried. And it turns out that the Adidas app was wrong when it said the tracking, which was weird, but I just thought it was hilarious how watching him like try to figure out what was going on with these shoes. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox these. I think they're so pretty. Okay, so this is the shoe here. So I personally really love this colorway. I think it's just such a pretty color combination. It has like the stripe right here down the middle is like a mint green color almost. And then the knit for the rest of the shoe is a mix of like a light pink, kind of like a dusty pink, and gray, which I am really glad about. I actually, when I saw them online and I saw the pictures, it kind of looked white with gray, which totally would have been fine too, but I was kind of nervous that they would get dirty. Like if they got dirty, it would show up really easily. But with this color, I don't feel like that's gonna happen at all. And then right here, the sole is like almost like a creamy, like a cream color. And then the bottom is gonna be like the same, like dusty pink almost, all along the bottom edge and up the front. This one doesn't have like the little pull tab that a lot of the Yeezys do. I don't know the reasoning behind why they switched that, and either way I like the way the shoe looks. I feel like it looks good both ways. That doesn't bother me that it doesn't have that pull tab on there. And then it has like the little Adidas 3-stripe logo on the right here at the back of the shoe. And then the inside, it has the Adidas Yeezy logo, just in like that same like mint green, like the color right here. And then the laces are like a pink, like a light pink color as well. So these remind me a lot, and I think that's why I like these so much. They remind me a lot of the Landmark, I think was the name of the other colorway that came out a couple months ago. And I really wanted those ones, but they sold out. And so we got these ones, and they look, in my opinion, like almost the same, except for the green right here. And I think those other ones might be a little bit more white than pink with the gray as well. So this is the shoe here. Like I said, I got these directly off the Adidas website, which I think is really easy to order off of. I actually got my husband a pair for his birthday off of there. I got him the static Yeezys, and it's just really easy and straightforward. As far as sizing, because with these shoes they just come in men's sizing, so I had to kind of look at the size chart to get the correct size. I ordered a size 7 in men's, and I am a size 8 in women's. Pretty much across the board for tennis shoes or sneakers, I wear a size 8. The only thing I wear like a different size in is sandals, and that's like an 8.5. So I went off the size I wear for my sneakers, and I looked at the size chart. Like I said, it said to get a size 7, so that's what I got, and we will see how they fit. Hopefully they look like they'll fit fine. Like they look like they're the perfect size. So I'll definitely be trying those on for you. I was a little nervous about the sizing when I ordered the size, because I was like, well, they are kind of an expensive shoe. I hope they fit. But I was like, well, worst case scenario, especially since I bought them for the retail price, I could always resell them. Yeezys have such a ridiculously high resale price. I'm like, even if I don't get more money, I'll at least be able to get my money back, because I know on like those apps like the StockX app, like I said, that's the only one I really know of. I know there's other ones though, but you can resell Yeezys and the price kind of just fluctuates. So anyways, that is the shoe, and I will try these on and show them to you guys. Alright, so these are the shoes on. I honestly am really happy with the size that I picked. They fit perfectly. I'm not going to have any problems with these at all, and they're so comfortable. Like I can just feel the cushion in them and how comfortable they're going to be in walking around. And I'm obsessed with the colors. I think the colorway is so pretty, and I think it's pretty feminine, and I'm just really liking them. So I would definitely stay with the size that goes off the Adidas website if you're pretty spot on with sizing with your women's sizing like I am, because like I said, these work well. And yeah, I am obsessed. I'm so glad I got these, my first pair. Alright guys, so that was my review of the Yeezy Boost V2 CITRIN colorway, and I personally really like the shoes. They fit perfectly, like they're like the perfect size. So honestly, I would kind of take a look at what size your sneakers are if you're a woman, and kind of try to compare off there. But going off the Adidas website for their size chart, it worked out perfectly. These shoes fit me perfectly. I love these shoes. They're so comfortable. I'm excited to wear them out. I just feel like they're gonna look so good. And I just feel like my feet are not going to be hurting. They'll be so comfortable. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, and I am not like a sneakerhead or anything like that, but I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing of my first pair of Yeezys with you guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and so you don't miss them. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!